You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names and vocabulary, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. Ayden is how it's generally pronounced. Some might pronounce it as Ayden, but now, generally speaking, Ayden. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments if you pronounce it differently. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.